This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Desi omelet. To begin, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 eggs, 1 small onion, and 1 green chili. You'll also need fresh cilantro, salt, and a pinch of red chili powder. Make sure you have a non-stick pan and about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil ready for the next steps. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and flavorful meal. Now, let's prepare the mixture. Start by finely chopping your onion, green chili, and fresh cilantro. Next, crack 2 to 3 eggs into a medium-sized bowl and whisk them thoroughly until they are light and frothy. Add all the chopped ingredients to the whisked eggs, along with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of red chili powder for that authentic Desi flavor. Mix everything well. It's time to cook. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully pour the entire egg mixture into the pan, spreading it out evenly to form a round omelet. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges begin to set and the bottom turns a beautiful golden brown. Keep an eye on it. Almost done. Using a spatula, gently fold the omelet in half. You can also flip it if you prefer a fully cooked top. Allow it to cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side, ensuring it's cooked through to your liking. Once golden and fluffy, slide your delicious Desi omelet onto a plate. Serve it hot with a side of toast, paratha, or your favorite chutney for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.